If you're looking to block adult content on your iPhone for yourself, a child, or just to maintain a cleaner browsing experience, Apple provides built-in parental controls that make it easy. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. If you haven't already set up Screen Time, you will be prompted to do so. You can also set a passcode to prevent changes to restrictions later on. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is your first time here, enable the feature by toggling it on at the top of the screen. Next, tap on Content Restrictions. Scroll down and tap on Web Content. Here, you'll see three options: Unrestricted Access, Limit Adult Websites, Allowed Websites Only. To block adult content, tap on Limit Adult Websites. This setting will automatically restrict access to known adult sites in Safari and other apps that use Apple's web content filter. You can also manually add websites to a blocked or allowed list by tapping Add Website under the Never Allow or Always Allow sections. And that's it. You've successfully enabled web content restrictions on your iPhone to help block adult sites.